Present situation demands your updated skill, not a certificate. According to some leading newspapers, there are 66% unemployed graduate in Bangladesh, those who are not yet ought to join a company growth. At this technological era, every company is shaping their organizational structure with updated technologies and skilled manpowers. Think and grow, man. Education is definitely important, but acquiring a skill is much more important at this competitive world. Every company wants your skill. Yes, a potential skill by which you can grow a company growth and bring an optimistic result. Update your technological trending skills like graphic design, web design, digital marketing, Android apps development, web development, video editing, etc. If you do not find any way to shine in your career, browse Google. You may observe there are 1.7 billion freelancers in the world and almost 6 crore freelancers only in the USA. And hopefully 10 lakhs freelancers in Bangladesh, those who are self-dependent with the use of tech skills. More than 40% workforce around the world are self-dependent and working as a freelancers and entrepreneurs. What are you waiting for? If your tech skill is out of date, then update your tech skill at Nokrek IT Institute and remove your unemployment hopelessness.